Have you been researching how to do one of those YouTube intros that catches everybody's attention? Well, I'm going to teach you how you can do it absolutely free with a couple different methods. And we're getting after it right now. What's up, everybody? This is Jackson Wilkie with the YouTube Agents. If this is your first time to this channel and you want to learn how to stop cold calling open houses but create an absolute lead machine through YouTube just like we have, then start now by subscribing to this channel and tap that little bell so you're notified every time I do a new video. If you ever want to see those two YouTube channels that I built that absolutely are lead machines, type in living in Portland, Oregon, living in Seattle, Washington. Make sure you subscribe to those. Check out the videos we do each and every week. Start doing them in your market and dominate today. You know, here's the thing about intros. If you don't have, a lot of editing experience and you don't use Adobe Premiere Pro, one of those, it's really hard to make your own if you want like the glitchy and all the graphics to come in, because you actually have to download those. Usually you have to pay for them, bring them into your editor and edit them all up. It's a pain in the butt. I tried doing it once, I gave up. So I actually found a free tool on my phone that makes killer intros. You can also use Fiverr, your virtual assistant, and they'll make some killer intros for you too. Now, after I do the phone tutorial, I will tell you at the end how I do my intros. I actually like my intros to show my personality and us vlogging out in the street. I think it really works for the consumer, but if you want a quick killer little intro, this is exactly how you do it. All right, so the one app that I found, which I use for glitches, for like subscribe now, and also for intros is right here. It's called IntroMate. So this is actually free. It has a bunch of free templates. I think I paid $4 or $5 one-time payment. That is it, to get a ton of extra packages here. So yeah, $4 or $5, you get a bunch of these. These are unbelievable. All you got to do is click on them. You can listen to them, edit the text, edit the pictures, the colors. So you just hit play. So you see that? I mean, you could edit that to say your channel name. I think some of these are really, really cool. Like this is a really simple one. You could. So this would be a very consistent message. Now I'm just gonna kind of show you a couple of these cool ones. If you want this and you just want your channel name, your team name. Super easy. Here's the ones that are pretty cool down here. These are the glitches. So I actually use these for like subscribe now or whatever, so you can change these up. So all you're doing, if you want to change, you have the music button, the T button for text, and then obviously the color, and then you have the different clips, so the media clips. So you can change these. You can actually change the background. Down on the bottom right, there are pictures. So you just do photos, all photos, and I'll pick this one of Portland, Oregon. And all you do is you can slide this around and you can enlarge it, make it whatever. So I would slide it like that, make it big, boom, done. Now I'm gonna go to the text button and I'm just gonna, see it up top, you just edit that. You can do subscribe now or living. Text 2, we'll go erase that and go in, and text 3 we will go Portland. Text 4 we will go Oregon. Done. So now we changed it and we'll watch it from the start. Super simple. I think you can make some really killer ones. I'm not going to save that right now. I'm going to show you another one that I think is really cool. If you were to go right here, the Evolution bundle, I think this is definitely one you need to pay for, but you go all of these different pictures. So what we're gonna do is hit pause, go to the left and hit the pages there. So media 1, we want to edit that. So I'm gonna go down to the right, hit photos, and you should just create these photos. You can have photos of your team, your logos, whatever. I just have a bunch of random ones of Portland. So you'll be able to see those. I'm going to edit them up real quick and just get them. This is just showing you real simply how to do this, but this is kind of what it would look like. I'm blowing that up. So the plus side on the right is the scale, so you can make it bigger, smaller. So you can tell, boom, there's number 1. Go to media 2, bottom right, photos. We're going to use this other Portland one. Again, we're just going to size it. Done. Now media 3. Bottom right, photos. The last one we're going to have us. This is something I just made really quick. There's our logo. And media 4, I don't even mind that background. That's just fine. So now we need to go to text. So you hit the T, text 1. I would almost get rid of some of these. Text 2, text 3 right here. Get rid of all those. If you wanted to add something, we are the Jones Group or Welcome to Portland. Whatever. You can write whatever you want. But I'm just going to go all the way to text 4, and it is your title here. So instead of that, I would put living in Portland, Oregon. Subscribe and like. So now we're literally done with this whole thing. That easy, that quick, and we'll watch it. Super simple intro that is the same every time. People really get used to it. And now here's the really cool thing. Like that music's kind of lame. You can totally keep it, but if you hit the music button, you can go down to the bottom right again and insert music. Just save music to your phone. So I know I saved one the other day. Right there, positive chill. It's a chill hop kind of place. Here's what's cool about it. So now we hit play. Okay, so if you wanted that to start earlier, watch how easy this is. I have my thumb right on the blue thing with the sound waves, and now I can drag it. So let's say you wanted that beat to start earlier, drag it to there and restart it. Boom. Killer intro. You can use that every time. So if you want to make one, look, there's 40 different, IntroMate has like 40 different platforms right in there, or not platforms, but it has like the 40 different templates right here, or 50, however many it is. It's a ton. These ones are completely customizable. You can actually put whatever you want in those. You can go to the glitches and do a bunch of glitches, whatever. Just have a lot of fun with these, and that way you can change these up if you ever want. You can add like in the middle of your video. Don't forget to subscribe. Look, I don't know if the intro really helps with the business or not, but I absolutely love it. And we get a ton of comments from people who call us saying they just love our personalities. They love how we're out and about, we're laughing. So I put that into our intro so that every time they watch our video, it's us laughing, it's us playing, it's us, it's my kids, it's all of that. So it really personalizes us. And so that is just getting into your editor, taking a bunch of clips of you out there and putting music to it. And if you want to learn how to edit like an absolute master and a pro, watch this video right here. I teach you all the special effects and exactly how to make the most killer videos, period, for real estate.